Hey Royal family, how is everyone doing? Hope you had a great weekend and your week is starting off great. You guys, please forgive me, I did not post a video on Friday like I had promised. I was a little tired because I did some things on Thursday that kind of had me wore out. But today we're just going to do a simple chef salad. You know, when you do a chef salad, you add what you like. But the only difference with this, I'm going to show you how to make your own vinaigrette. We're kind of going to do an Asian style vinaigrette, which I think will be delicious. But with that being said, let's get started. And also, please excuse my hands because I ran out of gloves. So you guys will see Mrs. O overwashed hands. All right, here we're going to use ginger. This is going to be for the dressing. You see that? The ginger is already growing out the bag. I thought that was pretty cool. We're going to use garlic, of course. I'm going to have eggs in my chef salad. I'm going to put red onion in my chef salad. I'm going to put olives in my chef salad. And I got these tomatoes from the farmer's market. Look how great they look. So we're going to use tomatoes. I decided to use iceberg lettuce because the last time I used the romaine, there was something about it that just did not taste right. Even though I always wash my lettuce, use the salad spinner and drain all of the water out. All right. So for our sauce, we're going to use honey. We're going to use rice vinegar. We're going to use low sodium soy sauce. And we're going to use extra virgin garlic olive oil. So what I'm going to do is prepare my salad, get everything cut up, put my eggs on. Then I'll come back and show you how we're going to make our own dressing. I forgot to show you guys, I'm going to use this deli ham and this deli cheese also in the chef salad. All right. Okay, Royals, I started the dressing for the salad, and what I have is honey, soy sauce, and I forgot to show you guys that we need sesame oil, and we have some low sodium. I said that soy sauce. So what we're going to do now is add 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. Okay, so we're going to do 1/4 cup of that. And if you notice at the bottom, I already have the garlic and ginger. And then we're going to do 1/4 cup of olive oil. Let me set that there. Then we'll get the olive oil. And make sure you have a jar that you can shake it in. Okay, let's do the oil. And now we're going to do a pinch of salt. And don't worry, I'll have the ingredients, I'm sorry you guys, in the description box below, so you'll know the exact measurements. And for some reason my salt got wet. Wow, I hope I didn't sit nothing on top of it. I probably did. All right, so now let's just take this and we're going to shake this baby up. If you have a mason jar, it'd even be better. And you're going to just shake it, and you really want it to emulsify, so I'm gonna say shake it maybe for about 3 minutes. Good arm exercise. That salad is rocking, you guys. But I will promise, I will have a video for Friday. All right, let's keep going. Woo. Okay, you see that? Now you can taste it if you feel like you need more salt. All right, shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. All right, there is our dressing. So when I come back, I will show you the final presentation and product of Mrs. O's chef salad with her Asian dressing.